Hello, Saber Junkies. So here we have ourselves an Imperialist Tormax Ghost, which was designed and produced by Saberbay and Kessel Custom Sabers, and 5280 Concepts. So this is the box that it came in. Nice box. So my customer David, as everybody knows from the Saber Museum, wanted me to go all out on this one, and that's exactly what I did. I didn't hold back on anything. I took everything that I've learned over the last 5 years and put it into one hilt as far as my chassis designs go. I think I've taken Tinkercad to its max. I don't think I can build a better chassis than I built for this hilt. I think I have definitely hit a ceiling. But first, let's take a look at this hilt. So there was a possibility of a button over here, and I changed that out with this one, which is just a Fox button, but it was an actual button. But in order for me to, I had to put it in a lathe, and I had to mill everything out of it, gut it basically, and then put it back together to get it in there. So it's just kind of a mirror of this side, only it's got red, which is like this one. Both of these, this is the power button, this is the auxiliary button here, and we have the cover here, which we'll get to here in a minute. This has a plunger in it right there, a blade plug in it right there. This is a really cool designed hilt. It feels good. It's big, which I have big hands, so I like bigger hilts. It feels, I don't know, I want to say manly. For lack of a better word, this feels like a manly hilt. Did not do anything aesthetically it's out of the box like this, except for, you know, the pieces and everything here, and that right there. That's the only thing I changed. I'd considered maybe weathering, you know, maybe adding some different colors to it or something, but honestly, I like it just the way it is. I've seen some that Austin over at a Stories Workshop do some yellowing on this and some weathering on it, and they all look awesome. So it looks good no matter what you do to it, is my point. So let's take a look at this chassis. And like I said, this is what I would call the apex of everything I've learned over the years. So the switch, since it's on the bottom, actually flips.
My ally is the Force.
So now we can take a look at this here. Now this is, I'm going to turn that off because this is just a little bit of a pain to get up. I only added 4 magnets. I went ahead and put all 6 in here, but it doesn't have them here. So, you know, it locks down good. Getting it up is a bit of a challenge. So let's set that right there.
My ally is the Force.
Okay, so bottom side we have the crystal chamber, and I designed a chamber with, I wanted to get as much in there as possible, and as you can see, for this small of a chamber we have a lot going on in there. I mean, it turned out magnificent. And the crystal that I cut myself is a quartz crystal. It has, let me see if I can get these out here real quick, like this. These are the holders that are inside there. Oh, one on each end. Nice holders that I designed for the crystal. The battery cover is here. I don't even have magnets or anything in it. I don't even know if I'm going to put them in there. That's the one thing about having it on this side. The board cover, pretty tight right there. Little diffuser right there for that LED strip. And on this side we have the OLED,
Dark Jedi,
which I do have animations and stuff programmed into it. We have a dual strip right here. We have strips inside these portholes on each side. We have a KR Sabers 28mm bass speaker right there. So yeah, these strips are pretty awesome.
This is just the beginning.
So I've captured pictures of this, which I will post, possibly a few small videos in between some of these clips. But yeah, this is the most metal that I've put on a chassis. The sound of this, I did make a shim for this, and it sounds so good. It's really tight right there. It's really pushing up against there. Give you an idea. That's max. So that's it, guys. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I will see you on the next one. Take care.